Interesting. Oh shit, I didn't see you there. Well, hey guys, Halloween C. Let's get back to the box. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and setup of the Faceless Scarecrow from Home Depot, Halloween 2022. Let's get right into this guy. Alright, so, this is a prop that I originally didn't like that much when it first got released, but then it just started to grow on me because, I don't know, I didn't like it originally because, like, you can see the base, but then I realized that just kind of adds to the scarecrow effect on him. So, yeah, that's why he kind of grew on me and I started liking him. So, I got this along with the 12-foot witch today. And, oh, steaks. What the heck? Comes with steaks. So, let's open it. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Alright, take this piece out. Cut it. It's tape. Is it anything in here? Okay. Nothing in there. Here is, well, first thing we're getting out, I guess. Oh, it's a whole slide out thing. Okay, well, I guess everything's coming out first then. And then there's nothing else in here. Yeah, but like I was saying, I was not originally planning to get this guy. He was not originally something that I was like, oh yes, I'm gonna purchase, but now he really grew on me and I really like him. So we can put this like this, and I will be taking everything out. So this is still kind of stuck. Here, I'll take out the adapter first, since it's the easiest part. Next upload you're probably gonna see is 12-foot witch after this video. Adapter right there. It says adapter on it. Gotta love the adapter. You know. Oh yeah, that's right. It's techie. Yeah, it's twist ties. That's why the body wasn't coming out. Alright. It should. The body can come out now. Whoa. Whoa, his head is big. His head is really big. Not like huge, because you know I have like phantom and stuff. But yeah, his head is really big. Look at that. And then this is just his clothes and his arms. It's got all of that on it. And then his chest piece just came off. This is actually a really good chest piece. I don't know which way. I think it goes this way probably. Guys, it's a chest piece. Really nice chest piece. And let's take out the rest of the stuff. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. I kind of like undoing twist ties, but this one is annoying, so I'm gonna cut this one. Yeah. I'm excited to see this guy because he said he's 6.5 feet, so let's see if he really is 6.5 feet. Jesus. Got freaking twist ties on here. All these poles. And now we're good. We got his control box with a pole and wires. And then here's his base. I kind of wish it was circular like it is in the box, but whatever. This is base. I do wish it was circular though. That would be cool. He's also 130. It's a really good price for 130. Here's 2 poles. You know, I think this guy definitely is. And then here's the arms. I'm pretty sure, yeah, these are the arms. I've seen unboxings of it before. Don't ask. All right, so let's move this out of the way and get straight to his setup. Alright guys, so I finished setting him up. His setup was pretty easy. I mean, connecting some of the wires was a little bit of a pain. Here, I'm just gonna fix up this rope on his neck. But yeah, I mean, whatever. He looks really good in person. He actually is 6'5". I wasn't expecting him to actually be 6'5", but he is. So let's plug him in. Do a demo. Oh. Is he gonna retract? All right, there we go. He's retracting. Hey! Here, he's techie. Oh wow, he's loud. Ooh, that's fast. I like that. Yeah, he's taller than Mr. Punji. Let's see. Does he have a face? He went straight away right there. Another phrase.
There are creatures hiding in the fields. Time to run. I hear them coming.
Yeah, see this next one right here. I'm gonna try to get it to go off with sound. This next one, because it goes really like right away. I kind of got closed in there that first time. Alright, well, that's it. So, hope you enjoyed the unboxing and setup of Faceless Scarecrow. Make sure to like, subscribe, join my Discord server, link in the description, and peace.